Feeling overwhelmed by AI tools? You're not alone. That's why today we're cutting through the noise with 5 beginner-friendly AI tools that just work, with no setup headaches and no tech background required. First up is ChatGPT. It's the easiest way to start using AI in your daily life. Use it to write emails, brainstorm ideas, or learn new topics fast. Tip: ask it to simplify dense articles or rephrase your own writing for clarity. Second is Canva's magic design. Whether you need a presentation, social post, or resume, it uses AI to turn your rough idea into a polished layout. No design skills required. Just describe what you need, and Canva gives you editable results in seconds. Third, meet Notion.AI. If you take notes, write content, or plan your day, Notion.AI is like having a second brain. It can summarize long text, generate to-do lists, and even brainstorm outlines based on your notes. Fourth on the list, DollE. It's an AI image generator that lets you type what you imagine and turn it into visuals. Want a calming desktop wallpaper with a futuristic vibe? Just describe it, and DALL-E brings it to life. Great for mood boards or inspiration. And number 5 is Leonardo.AI. Think of it as a next-level visual creator. It lets you generate artwork, characters, or web UI mockups with surprising detail. You can even tweak styles with slider controls. No experience needed, just your imagination. Here's the bottom line. You don't need to learn AI, you need to start using it. These tools remove friction so you can explore what's possible without feeling behind. If one of these tools caught your attention, pick one today and try it out. You'll learn more by doing than by reading about it. Next week, we'll show you how to turn these tools into a simple weekly AI workflow, so you can actually build habits, not just explore features. Subscribe to HumanOS for weekly tools, habits, and insights to help you adapt smarter.